In this video, we see how these whales approach our ships. But what potential dangers could this bring to the ship's operations? Let's find out in this video. Fascinating to watch as the whales come close to the ships in an anchorage area at the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. However, they also pose risks to the operations of the vessels. For instance, when our ship was about to leave to pick up a pilot, one of our crew members noticed a whale behind our ship near the propeller. Fortunately, the engine had not been started yet and the propeller hadn't spun, which could have injured the whales and damaged the propeller. Moments later, a call came through from another ship on the VHF radio and pilot station, stating they couldn't maneuver because whales were circling their vessel. Other ships also experienced delays in their pilot schedules due to the presence of whales. But why do these cetaceans approach ships? One possible reason is that sardines and small fish take shelter under the vessels, and the whales have figured out a way to disturb the fish and catch them. The ships become a tool for the whales to easily hunt, but they are unaware of the dangers this poses to them, as ships often try to avoid hitting them. In situations like this, sailors value the marine environment, which is part of the company's policies. I hope this video serves as a helpful reminder for mariners traveling through the Great Barrier Reef area. I salute the mariners who remain vigilant to avoid harming these creatures. Let's keep both our ships and marine mammals safe. Safe travels to everyone. Until we meet again, goodbye and God bless us all.